ihina ko. So, for our last day here in Vietnam, titikman namin yung nirecommend ng Grab driver. Oh! So, itong restaurant ay malapit sa Bentan Market. Dito namin napili since nirecommend. So, dito may mga Peking duck, fried chicken, na sobrang sulit and worth it. Sobrang dami ng servings. Asan ba yung daan? So, after kumain, mahanap pa kami ng mga pwedeng puntahan dito sa city. So, lakad-lakad lang. So, based sa na-research ng aming kaibigan, nahanap namin tong Galaxy Archery Club kung saan nag-training ng panandalian lang yung mga boys. And then, nag-try silang mag-archery. They will try this for 30 minutes. What? No, baby. Go. Di ba? Sabi ko kayo. Go. Yeah, okay pa. Sige pa. Yung next game na score. Yo, napakagaling naman ng bebe ko. Ayo, yung nandun yung sample. Ayo. Nasa blue, dark blue. Wala na ba? Mamaya na nabilangin. Galang. Bye. Bye.
7 in the morning, 5 to 7.
Okay.
And then after they work out, they, still work out again. Ah,
Come on, Sisi.
come on. Tama naman na yan.
We are on our way to War Remnants Museum. So, hindi na kami nag-grab. So, we decided to walk here at the park. Galing Galaxy Archery Club. Papunta doon.
Kupul.
Kupul. Isang live. May picture mo ako dito.
Nag-ride kasi tayo. Dito tayo. Pwede ba dito sa grass?
Oo.
Mana ya, marana.
Finally, narating na namin yung War Remnants Museum. So, pasok na tayo. May entrance fee na 40,000 Vietnamese dong. So, basically, that's it. So, we have to go back to the hotel and get our things. And we decided to get a coffee and tea para bago kami pumunta ng airport, may lakas pa and gising pa kami. We book a Grab papunta ng airport. So, pag nag-grab ka dito, sobrang mura lang siya kapag kinonvert mo into peso. And then, here we are sa airport. And we are about to wait for our flight. So we decided to have dinner near our gate. So, pag nagpunta kayo dito sa Vietnam, wag niyong kalimutan kumain ng pho and banh mi.
Going home. Bye, Vietnam.
Overall, sobrang tipid ng nagastos namin dito sa Vietnam. So, see you on our next vlog. Bye-bye!